Hello,
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. How was your day? How's it going?
Yeah, my day, I've completed my day basically. So my day just was very good. So yeah.
That's
So what about
good.
you?
Oh, it's going really well. And yeah, it's just one of those good days.
Yeah.
Where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling from India and I'm calling from the northern part of India. So
Amazing. Amazing. And where?
yeah, it is 8 p.m.
8 p.m. Okay, it's 20 to 3 where I am. Yeah. Okay. So we can, well, is there anything in particular you would like to talk about? Anything that interests you?
Yeah, like I have some questions.
Okay.
Yeah, I asked the previous teachers, which I called yesterday. Yeah, we can discuss about that.
Okay. Excellent. So, what questions do you have?
So, like my first question is, so I got this from Google. So, what is your favorite thing about yourself?
Oh, that's a good question. I like to think that I'm kind. I think I'm a kind person. That's
Yeah,
my favorite thing. I think that's very
I'm,
important.
I'm seeing that.
Yeah, is it the same answer for you?
And yeah, similar. This is the one thing, and like the other thing is this. If I generally tell, like, if someone give me a new target, and if I satisfy that target, so like. I do my best for doing this. So like this is my yeah interesting favorite thing.
That's good. That's such a good, yeah, that's a very good quality to have. That's excellent. Yeah. What other questions did you find on Google?
Yeah, like other questions is okay. So like, are you a animal lover or not?
Am I an animal lover? Yes. Hang on.
Oh my God, it's Rottweiler, right?
Yes, yeah, Rottweiler. We have that's a basset hound
Oh my God, that's pretty well.
and
Oh my God, you are such a
yes,
kind one.
I love animals.
Same here. Same here. Just yeah, I
Oh,
do.
what animals do you like or do you like all of them?
Yeah, mostly I like the dogs
Yeah.
and some cows. Basically, I love all the animals. So yeah, that is why I'm an animal lover. And even I have a dog.
Oh, what's your
Yeah,
dog's name?
yeah, my dog's name is Jerry.
Oh, oh, what kind of dog is he?
I have German Shepherd.
Oh, I love them. I
Oh
love
my
them.
God.
Oh, that is
That's
so
cool.
nice. How old is he?
Yeah, he is 5.
Oh, beautiful. Oh,
Yeah.
I love it when people have pets.
Yeah. Actually, I love the street dogs mostly. Whenever I see any street dog, so yeah, I try to feed some stuff, some eatables to the dogs. So yeah, this is the favorite thing. This is my favorite
Oh,
thing. Yeah.
oh, that is so nice. And what about like wildlife then? What kind of wildlife do you like? Like tigers or lions or penguins?
Yeah, I like all of these, like the tigers, lions, elephants. So yeah, and I would love to see all these type of animals. Yeah.
Absolutely. Do you watch like wildlife documentaries and stuff?
Yeah, I used to watch on television, but right now I stopped this. Yeah, and but I used to watch a lot of kind of National Geography programs on
Mhm.
television. Yeah, so it was a lot of fun.
Absolutely. Have you heard of David Attenborough?
What?
Have you heard of a man named David Attenborough?
Yeah, maybe I heard about that, but now I forgot.
Yeah, no, he's a documentary maker and he makes a lot of documentaries about wildlife and they're beautiful documentaries.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, incredible. And with wildlife, if there was um kind of one species that you could maybe help and spend a month with, what species of wildlife would you choose to spend time with?
Like I all over the answer the dogs.
Always dogs. Always
Yeah,
dogs.
always dogs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you consider becoming like a vet or something?
Veg. You said
A
veg.
vet. So I'll type it into the chat. A vet.
Yeah. Vet. Like I don't know about the vet, so can you please?
Yeah, of course. So a vet is like an animal doctor.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. So you take in the sick animals and you make them healthy again.
yeah. So I would like to be the vet of dogs and cows.
Ah, I
Yeah.
love cows. I love cows.
Oh.
I I always name them whenever I see any cows, and usually there's quite a few in the field. I'll just name them all. Okay, you're Daisy, and you're
Oh my God. This is so
oh,
exciting.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Have you any other questions?
Okay, so relating questions. So like if you like if you were a power of to speaking animals, if you had a power to speaking to talk with the animals, so like in which animal would you like to talk?
Ooh, oh, um, an octopus.
Octopus. Oh my God, that's a different answer.
Yeah,
Okay.
because octopuses, they're so intelligent, and I
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
like they could teach me a lot.
Oh. Okay,
What
so
about you?
yeah, the same as the dog.
Always the dog. You love
Yeah,
dogs.
yeah.
Did you know, like, an octopus, if they lose, do you know they have 8 legs? They're
Yeah,
tentacles.
yeah, I know
And
about that.
yeah, if they lose a tentacle, it grows back. Isn't that amazing? They they
Yeah,
they it's like losing an arm and being able to grow it back. It's incredible.
yeah, it's just like magic, just a magic.
It is, and I'm pretty sure octopuses have 2 hearts, which
Yeah,
is
yeah, I
cool.
heard about the octopus have two hearts. Yeah, yeah,
So cool. I really liked that question. Yeah, that was a good question.
yeah,
Okay. So, if I have a question for you. Because you chose dogs to
yeah.
speak to, what do you think your dog would say to you?
Actually, yeah, my dog will say about me very good things, but yeah, he may say a bad thing about me. Like, yeah, my dog is fond of to outing.
Mhm.
Yeah, but I don't want to be, more outing with my dog. So yeah, yeah. So my dog can complain me like yeah about this.
That's very funny. I
Yeah.
think my cat would say, "Feed me more." He gets lots of food, but he always wants more food. So I think my cat would say, "More food, please."
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, have you any more questions?
Okay, so like what foods your cat like your cat what food your cat like to eat?
Ah, okay. My cat likes to eat. normal cat food, but he also loves bread. My cat loves bread.
That's
So
great.
the other day I was eating a sandwich and my cat came over and just onto the bread. What are you doing? And I was like, okay. And I shared my sandwich with him.
Yeah, you
He's a
have to do
very funny cat. So
it.
bread, I think, is his favorite food.
Yeah. Yeah, about my dogs, he do love all the things. Like it may be the junk food and fast food. He can eat all the things, all this stuff. Yeah,
Dogs are very like that. Dogs aren't fussy. They like everything.
yeah,
I have my parents. I visit them on the weekends and they have a dog and that dog loves bananas.
yeah.
It's
Oh,
so strange. He
yeah,
loves
yeah.
bananas.
It's so strange.
Oh, I love that pets they all have their own personality and they're all, they have their own likes and dislikes. It's very cute.
Yeah.
Okay, have you another question?
Okay, so like simple question, like what do you do besides cambly, besides teaching cambly?
Ah, I so teach I teach, as you know. But in my spare time I read a lot. You can see the books.
Yeah,
I
that's
read a
fine.
lot and I'm also writing a book.
Oh,
Yeah, it's really hard.
yeah, that's really hard.
Well,
So on
but
which
I love
topic
it.
do you write? On which topic?
I yeah, I write what I'm writing at the moment is a thriller. Uh,
Yeah.
so something basically this woman is um afraid that her neighbors are kind of out to get her, causing a lot of trouble in her life. So it's a bit of drama, a bit of thriller. What about you? What do you do in your spare time? Oh no, you're frozen. Oh, can you hear me? Are you still there? Oh, come back. Oh no.